titty pudding. Oh, bring us some titty pudding and bring it right here. Okay, I know I'm a little bit late. I'm sorry. I wanted to be streaming an hour ago. I poured my wine an hour ago, and I sat down, and I started getting ready to stream, and you know what happened? My phone did not connect. And I can't stream without it, currently. So, I was very frustrated. It took its time. It took its time to connect to my freaking computer. And I needed an entire software update. Maybe if we go long enough and I need to freshen up, I'll bust out the rum too. We'll decide that once the drunk brain takes over. Yeah. We're gonna end our Christmas here with some Christmas carols. And then tomorrow, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Not more drinking. Don't drink 2 days in a row. It's not New Year's Eve tomorrow. I'm gonna count down New Year's Eve with you guys, and we're gonna kiss. Now kiss. Once you get married, then you can kiss. Kiss with a TH. TH. Listen, I know how to talk. I know how to talk some real big stuff. I can build up my talking blocks like Legos and knock it down like a freaking King Kong. King Dong. Yes, we'll turn into monkey and destroy everything we touch. Everything we touch will turn into this. How many of you is this your first time seeing me drunk? I don't drink that much. Oh. That was a huge one. Other alcoholics, hey, don't be an alcoholic. You can have fun every once in a while, but don't be an alcoholic. A holic of anything is bad. I'll take another chug. I got you. Oh. I'm not a holic to anything. I'm not addicted to anything but big titty anime ladies. Alright? Alright, that's all there is in life. That's all you gotta be addicted to. Nothing that harms other people and sometimes or yourself in your body. And if you're alcoholic, you can get, I don't remember what it's called, but your liver will hate you. Yeah. Listen, it doesn't matter how much booba you see. It only matters how much booba there is in the soul and in the heart, and that's all there is to it. Yeah. Enjoy your alcohol-filled Christmas carols. I'm knocking on your door, and I'm forcing Christmas carols down your throat. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. I was drunk enough to know that I sucked. I don't have it in me yet. I mean, I'm not drunk enough. I'm sober enough to know that I suck, but I'm drunk enough to not make it good. We need that sweet spot where you think it's amazing. Yeah. You can't tell what's bad anymore. I'm not hiccuping. You are. Let's go. Another drink, another one. What, there's do-do-do-doos? Do-do-do, do-do, do-do-do, da-do-do, da-do-do. Santa baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. How many times have these things been covered a million times and they always want to change one little lyric? Why can't you just make it all the same, huh? Making it hard on me. Come on, Sing King. Make it easy for me. I'm gonna drink. Oh, and then that one. Let's do this. Thank you so much, M-Tank! You clap for me, I clap for you, we clap for each other. We clap those cheeks all day. This one sucks. I picture every old person singing this song when they're like teasing everybody around them. So we're gonna sing it, and I want you guys to sing it with me. Sing it with me, chat! Sing it with me! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some titty pudding. Oh, bring us some titty pudding. And bring it right here. Titty pudding. Yeah. Hang on. Okay, we're good. Alcohol sweaty. I'll take another drink. I'm gonna need to refill soon. You guys can see how hard alcohol hits me. I'm not even finished with my first cup, and I'm pretty hit hard. Wait, I'm gonna do this one, but I'm gonna do voice changers for it. I'm gonna do. Alright, this is gonna take all of my brain. Okay. I really can't stay. Baby, it's cold outside. I gotta go away.
Baby, it's cold outside. Evening has
been bad. I've been hoping that you dropped in so very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like ice.
My mother will start to worry.
Beautiful, what's your hurry?
My mother will be pacing the floor.
Listen to the fireplace roar.
I really better scurry. Beautiful, please don't hurry. Well, maybe just a half a drink more. I'll put some records on while I pour. The neighbors might think, baby, it's bad out there. Why did he talk twice about her lips looking and being delicious? Gosh, chat. Your lips are looking so delicious. Let's go. Yeah, I'll taste your lips anytime. Cut them off for me, Papa. Cut me a slice of those lips. It's starting now. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Anyone gift a sub right now and I'll finish what's in my cup. Otherwise, I'll just go refill it with what's already in it. There's just a little bit in it. I feel tingly. I'm gonna go refill. I'll be right back. Enjoy your silence. I'll be back in like 20 seconds. I will leave you not in silence. Not in silence. I'm back. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, a pair of a hopple look up at the Barney in bed. Listen, listen, my eyes couldn't keep up. There's a lot of versions of Santa Baby. What the heck is this? Santa's coming for us? I've never heard that song before. But that sounds terrifying. Why would you make a song called Santa's coming for us? Yeah. That sounds awful. I don't want Santa to come for us. Santa, go away. Oh, God. Santa's coming! Yeah. Santa's coming for us. But I don't even know how it goes. So I thought just because the title is funny, I'm gonna sing it. But I don't know the melody. I don't know what note you need to hold. I know absolutely nothing about the song except for it's called Santa's Coming for Us by Sia, and it's the karaoke version. Nights are getting shorter now. Hot chocolate fills the air, and Christmas cheer does too. Pick a merry old Christmas tree, so lovely. The joy this time it brings to you. Oh, 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 Santa's coming to town. Oh, da da da, oh, da da da, oh, da da da, oh, da da da, oh, da da da. Santa's coming to town. Sing it to the deer in the sky. Sing it as they jingle, jingle, jingle tonight. Sing it to the moon, set it free. You're the angel on the top of my tree. Sing it to the spirit above. Sing your heart out. With all your love, Santa's coming for us.